Hello guys, it's Bento and today you are watching my unboxing and a small review of the all-new Nokia Lumia 535. And the phone is pretty same, and except one thing, there is no Nokia branding. And as always, the phone is placed at the right hand side of the box, and we can look at the box under the tray. And when you take it out, you can see a battery, and it is 1900 milliamp hour battery. And you cannot replace the battery. And you get a quick start guide with a tube starting, and you obviously also get a power adapter combined with a micro USB connector, and once more there is a micro banding at the back, and you also get a cheap set of earphone. And as noticed, there is no USB cable at this box. Take a look at packaging. The first thing you want to do is remove the fine plastic, and to remove the battery you just take out the plastic shell, and that's quite simple, and just put it away from the box. And here you go, a inside look of the new smartphone. And the battery is pretty easy to put in, and in this model you see a 2 SIM card slot, and at the top you can also see a micro SD card which is only expandable up to 64 gigs. And the placing the shell back, and it's just a simple thing to do with it. And when you take it off, you can see a very shiny glossy plastic, and the phone feels pretty much good in the hand. There is no micro USB. It is not a micro SD. It is a micro USB port. You will get it in the Nokia Lumia 325. On the right hand there is nothing. On the top you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the right you have power and the volume key. And the phone is pretty much prevalent in the front and the back. And the back we have a 5MP shooter with the LED flash, and in the front you have another 5MP shooter, and the size is pretty much similar to the Moto X first generation. The phone is much more thicker on the Moto X second generation, as you noticed, and it is also a similar size to iPhone 6. And when we boot it up, we will get a quick first look of the device. In the front we have the 5-inch 540 by 940 QHD display, and it is an IPS grade screen. It is 220 pixels per inch, and the screen is not pretty bright and vibrant. It looks faded compared to other high-end phones, and as you notice in the front, it is not curved as other Nokia Lumia devices. Powering the device is Snapdragon 200 1.2 GHz processor with 1 GB of RAM coupled with Adreno 302 and 8 GB of storage as mentioned. And as you notice, it also comes with 802.11 Wi-Fi network, and it supports dual band Wi-Fi, and it is pretty much too at this price point. And it feels pretty much comfortable in the hands, and it is better for single hand usage. And it is also loaded with the latest version of Windows Phone, that is 8.1,